Hi, I'm Bob from Plastic Pipe Shop. A question we're often asked is whether the chemicals in pipe, cement and cleaner will harm fish in aquariums. Now, the chemicals in cement and cleaner are very harsh solvents and if used incorrectly can have a serious effect. But if used properly, PVC and ABS cementing products shouldn't pose any risk at all. In fact, most commercial marine and freshwater fish hatcheries all around the world are plumbed in with PVC or ABS. Firstly, it's important to understand how all solvent cements and cleaners used on ABS and PVC pipe systems work. The cleaner is a solvent and is used for removing any residues off the pipe and fittings. These may be from the manufacturing processes where mold release compounds may be used or contamination during handling. The cleaner enables the cement, when applied, to fully attack both surfaces and bond them together. The cleaner will all evaporate off, and before you apply any cement, your pipe and fittings should be completely dry again. The cement also has a solvent in it that disrupts the surfaces of the plastic. As the solvent in it evaporates, the surfaces fuse together to become one, creating the seal and the strength in the joint. Now, all of this solvent evaporating into the air around you is pretty unpleasant, and for your health you must make sure that you are in a well ventilated room when using it. You also don't want it to be anywhere near your fish tanks or any air pumps. The solvent in the air can transfer across the water surface into the water, and this is made many times worse if your air pump is sucking in solvent rich air and then bubbling it through your tank. So, now we've got that out of the way, what about once you've cemented your pipework together? The golden rule is that before any air or water is passed through the pipe system, it has had at least 24 hours at room temperature so that all the solvent in the cement has evaporated out of the joints, and also that the inside of the pipework has been well ventilated during this period. If you build your pipe system and it's shut off at both ends, then any evaporated solvent will still be in there when you turn your water or air back on, and it will go straight into your aquarium. By all means, make your pipe work up as a complete system, but once you've finished it, disassemble it as much as possible to allow the solvents to vent out. It's a good idea after 30 minutes of setting time or so to sit the ends of your pipework near to an electric fan for a few hours so there's a good airflow through them to take the solvents away as they're released. It's also a good idea to think at this stage before you order your parts. Including a few extra unions will make taking the system apart and putting it back together again much easier. I'll add a link here and in the description to a video we have on unions if you're not familiar with them. In all pipework systems, you will never get rid of the smell of solvent completely. There'll always be a residue of the smell for a long while. But if you follow these steps, your fish should be fine. Thanks for watching. Bye.